Everyone built it here. I'm getting ready to do a FilamentOne ProFi Box for the month of, I'm assuming this is December. It just took a while because I guess Christmas holidays slowed it down. But anyways, this is a FilamentOne ProFi Box. We're going to get it open here and see what we got inside for the month. Okay, let's see, there's a piece of like gauze netting in here for some reason. Don't know why. Paper, of course. 2 silicone socks for use with E3Ds. So like an E3D V6 silicone socks. They're advertising the Hermia and Ultra Stick, the Ultim PEI powder coated sheets Ultra Stick. Advertising that. So they're giving you anything special here? Nope, just advertising. Nothing, this is new arrivals. The group project this month, it doesn't say what it is, so I'll go look it up and you can see what it is. I'll look up in a moment after I go through what's in the box. An E3D online sticker. You can see it right there, the sticker. Here's the 2 filament, the 2 socks that we were just talking about. First roll of filament here is a kind of a, looks like a reddish color. Doesn't say what it is. I think this is the glint purple, is what I think this is. But it can't, doesn't say on the, either of the labels don't say, it just says temperatures. Doesn't say what the product actually is. I'm assuming this is the glint purple. So that's the glint purple right there. And then we have a blue, which they call midnight, I think. And again, the labels don't say what they are, but on the card here it says glint midnight. So we have purple and midnight, and that's, and then scoop waffle cookie, which is partially open, so I'm not gonna, probably not very good. The packaging's already open. And that's it for the month. That's the whole thing there. Let's see what the project is by going to their website and looking up the project. I will kill my cameras because you don't need to see anything else now. Excuse me. We will go to the website. FilamentOne filament1.com/pb-pec19. Like I said, this is December of 2019. And so here's our little sticker there, and it says silicone socks for the heater block. I did not get a wire brush. It says there's a wire brush for nozzle cleaning. I did not get the wire brush, so that did not come in my ProFi box. I got this little netting thing. But inside the box there was absolutely nothing else. There was no wire brush. So that is missing according to the sheet. And according to their mailer here. Yeah, it says wire brush, but I didn't get it. Okay, and then yeah, discount on the Ultra Stick and powder coated sheet or Ultra Stick magnetic. And then there's a code. The group project. Oh, so it's you're going to print on fabric. So that's what this is about. That's why it's a little piece of material for printing on. You can download the Christmas star. This is here. You can check it out on Uncle Jesse's YouTube channel, but you can download the project here. So let's go see what the project actually is. Let's open it. Oh, can't. It's a zip file. I just saw that. Oh, that's okay. Yeah. Yes, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to hide that because that's something I was working on for my CeramBot. As you can see, it's a CeramBot. This is my CeramBot Delta printer. Let me just hide the baby group here so you can see. So there's a bunch of stars. And what you're going to do is those stars are going to get printed onto that piece of fabric that we were showing a little bit earlier. Let me move this. Let's see which camera's which. Yeah. Always do that. That one. Okay. That perfect. So we have this little piece of fabric here. You can't really see it very good, but so this is what you're supposed to print the stars on. You're going to print that on that, and then I'll give you a flexible piece of material with stars on it. So that's the idea. Now this is similar to the things that you follow him or not. David Shorey does. So a little shout out to David Shorey on that. So you can kind of see his things. So that's where we're at here. That's what the project is for the month. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And we're done with that, and that takes care of that. We're done with the FilamentOne ProFi Box. That's the end of the ProFi Box for the month. Missing the wire brush from my kit. So that's an unfortunate issue, but that's okay. Maybe they'll send me one after they see the video, and then I'm missing the parts. But that's not a big deal that I'm missing a wire brush because I got lots of other crap I can use. Not like I don't have something available. So that takes care of it. Thank you for watching. That's ProFi Box for the month of December, and we'll catch you next month. I don't know what I'm going to print yet. I'm so behind on all the stuff I want to print because I've been messing with this CeramBot trying to get the clay mix correct. So eventually I'll get that right, and I'll do a final video on the CeramBot. And that's what the group was. That's actually a cup that I'm making in a print. But I got to get it to where it can print, to extrude properly. And so I got to do all that still. Yeah. You don't want to hear about that. We're done. Build it out. Have a great one. See you guys later.